Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn biology questions and answers. First, focus on truly understanding the fundamental concepts. Don't just memorize, grasp the why behind each process. Next, break down larger topics into smaller, manageable chunks. This makes learning less overwhelming and helps you connect related ideas. Regularly reviewing your notes and textbook material reinforces your knowledge, making it easier to recall information when answering questions. Once you have a solid grasp of the basics, it's time to practice. Seek out a variety of practice questions, including those from old exams, to familiarize yourself with different question styles. Implement active recall methods, such as using flashcards or quizzing yourself, to retrieve information without looking at your notes. A powerful technique is to explain concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else, which highlights any gaps in your knowledge. After attempting questions, don't just look at the correct answer. Take time to carefully analyze why your incorrect answers were wrong. This helps pinpoint specific areas where your understanding might be weak. Don't hesitate to seek clarification from your instructors or study groups on challenging topics. Additionally, creating your own summary sheets or diagrams for complex biological processes can significantly enhance your retention and recall. Consistency is key to long-term retention. Establish a regular review schedule to revisit material and prevent forgetting. Leverage the many excellent online resources and educational apps available to supplement your textbook and notes. These tools often provide interactive ways to test your knowledge and visualize complex biological systems. Remember to check the description below for a link to these amazing socks and other great deals. Keep practicing, stay curious, and you'll master biology questions in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.